Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Dee. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. I'm just taking you into the guest bathroom. This is part 2 of my luxury Toronto apartment tour. So this is the first bathroom. I just put a little Halloween decoration, and right here we have some storage, and then down here we have a pull-out drawer with some more storage, soap and light. Plug-in light is from the Bath and Body Works. Nice full mirror, and also there's a medicine cabinet. I'll show you so you can put away your toiletries. And then here is the bathtub. So the first bathroom, which is this bathroom, has a bathtub. The second bathroom, master bedroom, will be in a second part. So it has a rain shower. It has a little niche to hold your toiletries. A couple of towel bars. And also the rug is from IKEA. So that's the bathroom, the guest bathroom. Hello guys, I'm just going to show you the first bedroom. So that's when you come in down the hallway. There's the first bedroom, and as you can see, this is a child's bedroom. The dresser is the Malm 3-drawer dresser at IKEA. The bed is called the Hauga bed, H-A-U-G-A, upholstered bed frame. It's quite spacious in here. Just have a bookshelf. This one is from Walmart. I believe it was like $30. And then you can see there's glass here. I guess it's good and it's bad in that it lets the light in. And then this is an ottoman. I got that from Walmart, around $30. And we also have this projector light. This also came from Walmart if you're looking for something, some kind of light at night. And these are all the different colors that you can have. So that's that. So the bedding is from the Bay. The comforter and pillowcase. The second pillowcase is from H&M. It's white with a gray trim. The sheet is from, where is it from? IKEA also. And then this wall here this is a wall of closets. So it's pretty good. I'm not going to show you all the mess, but that's what closets are for. So this is the second bedroom. So this is what the whole bedroom looks like. Guys, sorry about the shuffling and the squeaking of the doors, but here's an overview. And as you can see, there's a lot of floor space that's usually filled with toys. We also have a light in the corner. That's also from IKEA. Just in case anyone's looking for a light for their living room or their bedroom. I think it's honestly under $15. But we really don't need that light because there's a lot of overhead lights in this bedroom. So guys, thank you. That concludes part 2 of my luxury apartment tour. Please like and subscribe. Hi guys, and this here is the master bedroom. Just gonna take you in and show you. I made a few changes. I know I did the made over my bed with some sheets from IKEA. So this is what the bedroom looks like. So the duvet cover, pillow shams are from IKEA. That's a silk pillowcase on this pillow. That was a gift to me. And the pillow shams, those are from Marshalls. The chocolate brown sheets, which is a t-shirt material, is from Marshalls. The insert for the duvet cover is a comforter from the Bay. So this is what the bedroom looks like. So here we have my dresser and those vases, both of them. I found the one that's shaped almost like a donut at Marshalls, and the other one also at Marshalls. But you can find both of them. This one you can find at H&M, and there's a smaller version of this at CB2. So this is the bedroom. I just put a mirror here, and then this is what it looks like from this angle. So this is the master bedroom, and this is what they consider, or they call this, a walk-through closet. So there's no doors on this type of closet system. A lot of good shelves, and my hamper is from H&M. It's a double hamper, so there's 2 sides to it. This little cupboard thing is from IKEA, and my hangers are from Marshalls, and I got some new ones from IKEA. And then what else? Oh, and the mirror was from Marshalls also. The upholstered bed, it's kind of a beige color. You can look it up on IKEA's website under upholstered beds. I can't remember the name. So this is this angle. walk-through closet. Nice high ceilings. The nice thing about this bedroom is that there's overhead lights all throughout. And now we've come to the bathroom. So the bathroom is, sorry, I had to move that towel. I was cleaning. So this is the master bathroom. Again, in this bathroom, there is some cupboards or pull-out drawer, and I just kept it simple. Oh, this reed diffuser is this Philippe Spa Tahitian Coconut Vanilla. If anyone's interested, makes the bathroom smell nice. And that was a gift. I believe you can get that at Sephora. Garbage can is from IKEA. And then there's this tall medicine cabinet. And I just have a few of my products that I use. So. And then this is the shower. Rain head shower. And also has a little niche for all your bath products. That's some BC shampoo. It's actually really good. You can get it at the salon. And some Tatcha face wash, the rice. I believe it's a rice wash. And a towel bar. And so that's the full apartment tour. Thank you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the second part of my bedroom tour. Please like and subscribe.